Now, why is this bird knocking on my window? He comes here every Saturday morning like he want to come in my house. And I don't know what he's doing. So somebody out there probably could tell me what he's looking for. Ain't got nothing over here but furniture. But there he is, almost every Saturday morning, knocking on my window. And if I go to the window, he gonna fly away. I thought this was really fascinating that this bird comes to my house every Saturday morning at the same time and starts knocking on my window. So let's go see what he wants. Oh, there he goes. Off into the yard, in the bush. So I'm gonna walk back over here and see what happens. Guess he left.